Here I am, trying to get my neighbors together and no one's around or even interested. I try to get my friends on board and they laugh at me. I can't do it by myself. And why should I? The park is for everyone, not just for me. Luz! Oh, great. Can I help you? Au contraire. So, like Robert told me about what your park idea was all about, and, well, it sounds like a lot of work. And maybe, hopefully, there will be no real need to grow our own food. Okay, I get it. You think it's a stupid idea. No, we want to help. I think having a park in our neighborhood is a great idea. And you know I love vegetables. Thank you. What are friends for? Sniff. So what now? How about we make posters for the neighborhood? I'll leave that to the design expert. Catch you guys later. Okay, no time to lose. Do you think we could design them on your computer? No problem. We could print out a bunch of copies and then hand them out to friends and neighbors and put them on mailboxes and on street lamps and notice boards. The gang discusses their action plan for the next 2 weeks. Footwork and posters spread the news. Taking care of stinky business. Laying down grass. Planting trees. Installing park benches. Old tires become new planter boxes. Installing. If you are installing something, you are setting it up so it's ready to use. Friendship Park Community Gardens. Building a concert area and a playground. Car-free Sundays. Gord's idea gets approved by the city. Mr. and Mrs. D'Souza share their plans. Yay! We're all done! Sunday, 11:57. Sunday, 11:59. Almost time. It's time! What? Not another blackout. Ah, who cares? We've got a party to go to, and it doesn't need any electricity. Come on, let's go. Kay? Go where? No questions, just follow me. What's going on out here? There are no cars on the street. Yeah, that was Gord's idea. He got the city to do this new thing where our street is blocked off so people can walk anywhere. And Fofo can too. Where is everyone going? We're all following the music. I've got a surprise. Remember that old abandoned lot at the corner? Abandoned. If a place is abandoned, it is no longer cared for or used. Well, now it's a park. Luce, what on earth? No, this is for the earth. This place was a patch of concrete with no sign of life, right where our neighborhood could have a place for people to hang out and play and look at birds and flowers instead of traffic. Luce, was all this your idea? It's incredible. You're full of surprises, Chica. But I'm not surprised that you could make such a beautiful dream come true. It was a lot of work, but everyone did a part. Yup. I'm glad it's done, though. Ha! I know. Well, this park is proof that we're not alone, and we can all work together and help each other to learn stuff and grow stuff and make stuff and build stuff. So that in the end, whatever happens, we can rely on ourselves for the things we really need. No more imports or giant malls. No malls, huh? Yup, you're still a little crazy. Hey, there's Robert. Check it out. This worked great. Hi, Robert. Yeah, who knew? And now you have a place to come hang out during blackouts. Ha ha. Hey, what's that package you've got? Another mysterious secret? Heh, don't joke. Ah, come on, Robert. No more secrets. Actually, this is for you. I know you're totally over the media-hyped fashion trends and all, but I made these to say thanks for, being my friend since I'm new to the city. You made these? For me? These are your own designs. Talk about limited edition. This is the only pair of its kind. Wow, those are awesome. Thanks, Robert. This is amazing. And you guys are both great. Hey, nice to see friends together in Friendship Park. How appropriate.
Your final question is, why does Luz think that her project will help the community and the planet?